How to find TikTok Shop promo code. Finding TikTok Shop promo code is easier than ever with various platforms offering discounts for both new and existing users. So here is how you can discover and utilize these promo codes. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your device. Now once in there, in the search address bar, type down TikTok promo code and hit enter. Several reputable websites regularly update and verify TikTok Shop promo codes, so simply tap on one of the promo code option available there and navigate to its official website. So now once in there, scroll down and look for the promo code that best suits your need. And all you have to do is tap on it. So for example, I'm simply tapping on the first option available there with 40% off on my TikTok Shop promo code, and it will be navigated to the promo code and where you can simply copy the promo code or simply redeem it to the TikTok shop. Make sure to log into your TikTok account and you can easily redeem it while shopping. You can also look for other promo codes, scroll down, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.